Need to raise or lower audio by an exact decibel amount? This workflow is useful when a clip is slightly too quiet or too loud. I will show the complete process, verify what the tool produces, and explain the one limitation that matters. Open Audio Volume Changer on AudioFetcher. The media processing workflow runs locally in your browser, so the selected file is not uploaded to an AudioFetcher media server. Keep the tab open until the result is ready. Choose a source file. The page confirms the selected item before processing. For tools that accept several inputs, the order shown here is the order used in the result. Start with a small change, such as plus or minus 3 decibels. Use settings that match the destination rather than selecting the largest number automatically. Then start the tool and wait for the local engine to finish. The completed workflow produces a new MP3 with the requested gain adjustment. Download or inspect the result before closing the page. The automated AudioFetcher test suite also opens this output with FFprobe and verifies its expected stream properties. Large positive boosts can clip. Keep the original until you have listened to or inspected the result. The direct tool link and a written summary are in the description.